song. The theme for today's assembly, peace. Peace is important because it allows people to create conflict without violence and to create a more positive environment. Peace creates a sense of security, respect, tolerance, stability, and well-being to pursue goals without threat. Now my friends, Tiara and Dia will enlighten with words of wisdom. Peace cannot be kept by force. It can only be achieved by understanding. Peace comes from within, do not seek without. I repeat, peace comes from within, do not seek without. Now my friends will narrate the story on peace. Long ago, in the forest, there lived a big angry elephant named Nalgiri. He would destroy trees and hurt animals whenever he got angry. One day, Gautam Buddha was walking through the forest with his friends. They saw Nalgiri coming towards them, sometimes blaming the sleeping. Buddha frustrated, but Buddha calmly walked to Nalgiri and said, "Please kill the elephant, why are you so angry?" Nalagiri was surprised. No one had asked him why he was angry before. He explained that he was hungry and thirsty. Buddha listened carefully and said, "I can help you to find food and water. But first, let's take deep breath and calm down." Nalagiri did as Buddha said, and he felt calm and peaceful. Buddha and his friends helped Nalagiri to find delicious foods and cool water. From that day on, Nalagiri became a gentle giant. He helped to protect the forest and its animals. He always remembered Buddha's lesson that peace and kindness can calm the anger of heart. Moral of the story is we all get angry sometimes, but we can choose to calm down and be kind. Just like Nalagiri, we can find peace and happiness when we take deep breath, listen to others and show kindness.